In Europe, only cheese made in Greece containing at least 70% sheep's milk can rightfully be called feta. Here in the US, however, these laws don't apply, so domestic and non-Greek imported feta can readily be found in our markets. And Jack's here today to tell us how they all compare.
This is going to be really interesting, Julia, because this is a case where the Americans, we have a lot of catching up to do.
Oh, we do.
So you have 2 American cheeses and 2 Greek cheeses here, and as far as I'm concerned, there's no contest.
No pressure on me.
No pressure whatsoever. So the big difference is the American cheeses are made with cow's milk. And cheese made with cow's milk tastes nothing like cheese made with sheep's milk. So to compensate, the American cheeses add a lot more salt. They throw more salt in, and they also don't do these stages that they use in Greece, where first of all, they dry salt them. So they put some salt on and then let them cure so that a little bit of bacteria will grow on them, which of course then translates into flavor. In America, they basically put them right into the brine, and so they don't do that step where they get the bacterial growth, which adds more complexity and interesting flavor notes. So first hint, the really salty cheeses, they might be American. So second thing, the flavor. You know, sheep milk has a really gamey, lemony, barnyardy flavor. One of the things that the Greeks like to boast about is that their sheep have access to 6,000 different varieties of plants and grasses, and that adds complexity to the milk, and that makes better cheese. Cow's milk obviously has none of those notes, so you'll see some flavor differences. Fat is a big issue here. Sheep's milk has twice as much fat as cow's milk. So of course, when you make feta cheese from sheep's milk, you get a lot more fat. So you get a richer cheese, you also get a softer cheese. You know, it melts really nicely, has a sort of luscious texture to it. In Greece, they are allowed to use up to 30% goat's milk. No cow's milk at all allowed. So you've got one of the Greek cheeses is all sheep, and one is a blend of sheep's milk and goat's milk. We also did some cooking tests with these. We used them in a salad, we put them in a spanakopita, and you really will see these flavor differences carry through in your dishes. I think you're worried.
I am a little worried.
I think you feel like you may not get this one right.
You know what? I'm feeling the pressure, I must say. So I'm gonna choose this as my all-time favorite because it's very creamy, it's sharp, it has good flavor. And this is my second favorite, but I think I like it because it's sort of mild flavored. So these 2 are my favorites. These 2 are great too, though. I have no problem with either of those.
Oh, so you're easy to please?
Yeah, I am. I guess I just like all kinds of feta.
All right,
So let's start with this one.
All right, Julia, you've chosen a Greek cheese. You chose Dodoni. So this was the runner-up. This is a sheep and goat's milk. We really like this cheese. Has a little bit different flavor because of the goat's milk, but it's an excellent choice.
All right. So next, this one.
You chose the other, the real Greek. This was the winner.
Know?
That one is 100% sheep's milk. They're both great choices.
Gotcha. All right, and this one?
This is Organic Valley. We didn't really like this. This was at the bottom of the rankings. It's an American cheese. It's made with cow's milk. You seem like you'll be happy with it. Our tasters were not so happy with it.
Okay. Last but not least.
This was the best of the American choices, Boar's Head. Again, still cow's milk, but it was more interesting than some of the other American cheeses.
All right, so America does have some catching up to do when it comes to feta. So when you're shopping, buy real Greek feta at about 87 cents an ounce. Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.